The build. Elevator, wow! Very old! Partenopea ascensori. Very old elevator. Wow! Gated elevator. Very old gated partenopea ascensori with damage fixers. E nasty, nasty. Wow, fantastic. Gated partenopea. Wow. It's a partenopea ascensori. Shaffiu. Yes, it is partenopea ascensori. Oh! Old Fiam 60s and modernized by Partenopea Ascensori in 1990. In 90. 60 years Fiam, 30 years later, modernized by Partenopea Ascensori or rebuilt. The cab is still original. Oh no, no big jump. The fixture is... Wow! The classic Fiam fixture. Wow. Gated elevator. With classic old Fiam fixture. Partenopea ascensori. Classic Fiam elevator. With a very old gated original Fiam door. Rare. Rare Fiam elevator with big jump. Old Fiam. Modernized by Partenopea Ascensori. Wow, look at that. Grazie.